should ask him what alleyway he means. Because he probably means that one. I can't see him meaning that one.
Yeah. We'll see that one real quick.
Almost literally at the same level.
That's crazy.
That's where it started. Yeah, he
Yeah.
definitely means this.
Yeah. You starting that side, I'll start on this side.
All the way in?
Yeah. Because this door's over there. And back here is a good place to hide for a few hours if we need to.
Just your side. Don't even bring it all the way to the end. All the way up to here.
Yeah. I don't have to do too far in here apparently.